Hello, everyone, and welcome to this final video. This is the last video I'm making for Unit 8. This is all about how to find the surface area of a sphere. If you've made it this far, then great work. That means you've watched all the videos. Presumably, you've been working in IXL to show that you've mastered the must do, should do, and can do skills, which is just very impressive. So great work. In this last one, we're going to talk about how to find the surface area of a sphere. Remember, a sphere is like any sort of ball. It is a three-dimensional object that looks like a circle, but every point on the outside is equidistant from the center. So it's basically like the three-dimensional version of a circle. Any perfectly round ball you see is a sphere. Now, in the last video, we talked about how to find the surface area of a cylinder, and that's something you can kind of figure out. With this, you need some more advanced mathematics to see why we have this formula. But we do have a formula that's really helpful. And that formula is located on the very last slide, slide 12 of the Unit 8 notes. To find the surface area of a sphere, you need to just do 4 times pi r squared. So pi r squared is the area of a circle. The surface area of a sphere, to cover this entire thing, if you imagine you're giving a soccer ball as a gift to a friend and you want to wrap the whole thing, how much wrapping paper do you need? Or you have a basketball that you want to paint a different color. How much paint do you need? That's what this question is asking. And you just have to do pi r squared times 4. So let's look at an example. In this one, we have, let me bring up my annotation tools. Remember, this is a sphere, not a circle. It looks like a circle, but imagine that it is three-dimensional. And we're going to use the formula 4 pi r squared. First step, write out the formula. Next, substitute everything in. 4 stays the same. Pi is 3.14. R is 10 squared. So 4 times 3.14 times 10 squared. We got to do the exponent first. That is 100. 4 times 3.14 times 100. I'm just going to put this into a calculator. This is one you probably could do on your own. If you want a challenge, you can check my math right now. The answer is 1,256. This is meters. And because this is the surface area, it's meters squared. If it was volume, it would be meters cubed. If it was just a distance, it would just be meters. So 1,256. Terrific. So as you go, of course, into more advanced problems, make sure you look out. Sometimes it's not going to give you the radius. It will give you the diameter. The formula asks for the radius. So if it gives you the diameter, you got to cut it in half to find the radius. I hope it's helpful. Great job working through all these videos. If you have any questions, let me know. And other than that, have a great day or evening or whenever you are watching this.